Here you go, guys. Check this one out. This is a 2001 Ford F250 Super Duty XL. Got a really neat machine here. This paint looks like it could be all original. Super solid body. Looks great. Solid all the way through. Not a rusty machine like you see a lot of them are. Excellent set of match set of tires there. 265 75 16s. Off-road package. It's got the receiver hitch, spray-in liner. Nice color too. This is the basic XL package. Also has a wireless front-mounted winch underneath there, and I think, look inside there. Yeah, it has a 13,000-pound winch on it. It's got the hella driving lights, heavy-duty front bumper, and the best part's not even, we haven't even talked about it yet. How about this? 7.3 diesel, 138,000 original miles, 6-speed manual, 4-wheel drive, air conditioning. Basic truck. No telling how long this thing will last. Interior's in nice shape. Door panels are nice. This has not been a beat down work truck. Original headliner. The radio's been changed. Let me fire this thing up for you. Crank's nice and smooth. 138,902 miles, fixing to turn to 903 miles. That's why it's halfway there. Kenwood CD player, floor mounted 4x4 shift. Seats in nice shape. Just a vinyl seat. And then there you go. Running great. Go ahead and I'll pull the thing off here and show you about any blow-by. They all have a little bit of steam from the factory. Sold them brand new, they did that. Oh, look at that. How you like that, buddy? Don't get much better than that. Put it back on here. AC's working nice, intercooler. I believe the drivetrain's pretty much stock on it. No power adders or anything. And it runs strong stock. Factory cab steps, got the Ford mud flaps, got the flared fenders. Looking great. I'm going to post a bunch of pictures of it also, anywhere close to 100 pictures of it online. If you have any questions, you can give us a call, 770-345-0282, or you can visit us on the web 24/7 at CherokeeAutogroup.com. Check this baby out. This one sweet rig. Hope you enjoy it.